Hello, children. Good morning to you all. I hope you all are fine. And today we are going to learn about living and non-living things. All things which are present in this world can be classified into living and non-living things. Things that can breathe, can eat, can grow, can move, can feel, can produce their young ones, and die are called living things. For example, animals, birds, insects, plants, and human beings. Things that can't breathe, can't eat, can't grow, can't move, can't feel, can't produce the young ones, and not die are called non-living things. For example, chair, ball, books, television, bag, etc. Let's see in more detail. Living things move. Living things move on their own. Plants are living things, but they do not move like animals and human beings. But still their leaves and flowers move. Flowers generally grow in the direction of the sun. Birds and bats use their wings to fly. Fishes use their fins to swim. Animals like deer, elephant, dog, tiger, horse, and cow use their legs to walk. And some animals can crawl. Example, crocodile, snake, snail, etc. But children, do you know why do animals move? Animals move in search of food, water, shelter, and to protect themselves from their enemies and other dangers. But non-living things do not move on their own. They need to be moved by living things. Living things grow. All living things grow in shape and size. The weight and height of living things increase as they grow. But non-living things do not grow. Living things need food and water. All living things need food and water to live. Food gives us energy to do our work. So we eat vegetables, fruits, eggs, etc. And we drink milk, water, juices, etc. But some animals like cows, buffaloes, goats, and deer eat grass. Some like lions, leopards, and tigers eat the flesh of other animals. Most of the birds eat small insects and grains. Plants. Plants are the only living things that make their own food. They prepare their food with the help of soil, water, and sunlight. But non living things do not need food and water. Living things need air to breathe. Living things have different organs for breathing. For example, human being, cow, cat, and dog breathe through their lungs. Earthworm breathes through its skin. Fish breathes through gills. And some insects breathe through their holes called spiracles. And the plants breathe through their stomata. But non-living things do not breathe. Living things have feelings. Living things react to things that happens to them. They also respond to their surroundings, like smile, cry, angry, scared, etc. Animals and birds also react to things around them. A scientist, Dr. J.C. Bose, had discovered that plants have feelings and they also react to the music. But non-living things do not have feelings. Living things produce their young ones. A dog produces puppies. A cat produces kittens. And birds lay eggs and the young ones hatch from them. Plants produce which have seeds. These seeds give new plants. Also, human beings produce their young ones. But non-living things do not reproduce. Living things die. Some creatures like mosquitoes and flies live for few days. Some like cats, dogs, and horses live for few years. And some like elephants and tortoise live for 60 to 100 years. or more. The average lifespan of man is 70 to 80 years. Trees also live for many years. But non-living things do not die. So children, now we know living things need food and water, and non-living things do not need food and water. Living things need air to breathe, and non-living things do not breathe. Living things grow, and non-living things do not grow. Living things can move, and non-living things do not move. Living things have feelings, and non-living things do not have feelings. Living things produce their young ones, and non-living things do not reproduce. And living things die, and non-living things do not die. See you again, children. Bye.